In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine PDF files for free using a handy online tool. If you've ever been in a situation where you needed to merge multiple PDF documents into one, you'll know it can be frustrating without the right tools. Well, worry no more. With this approach, you can easily manage your PDFs without spending a dime. First, open your preferred browser on your computer or device. In the search bar, type Small PDF and hit Enter. This will lead you to the Small PDF website, which is a free and user-friendly platform for all your PDF needs. Once you're on the Small PDF homepage, look for the Merge PDF option. This is what we're going to use to combine your files. Next, select the files you want to merge from your computer. Click on the option to choose files, which will open a file dialog box, allowing you to navigate through your folders and pick the PDF files you want to combine. Choose the files by either dragging and dropping them into the designated area on the web page, or selecting them individually by clicking through your folders and hitting Open. Once your files are uploaded, you have the option to add more documents if needed. This can include PDFs, images, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and even PowerPoint presentations. It's a versatile tool that handles a variety of file types seamlessly. Now, it's time to rearrange the order of your files. Simply drag and drop the files into the desired sequence. Whether you want to start with the main document and follow with attachments, or vice versa, the choice is yours. You can preview how the combined document will look, making it easy to ensure the files are in the correct order. After you're satisfied with the arrangement, find and click the Finish button to finalize your collection of PDFs into a single document. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to export this newly merged file. If you want to save on file size, especially if you plan to send this document via email or upload it to a website, using the compression feature is a great idea. Choose to compress the file and select the basic compression option if available. Opt for the medium file size, standard resolution for a good balance between file quality and size. Finally, once the file compression is complete, download your new PDF by hitting the download button. Save it to a location on your computer where you can easily locate it later. With these simple steps, you have now successfully combine your PDFs into one consolidated document effortlessly and for free. Enjoy the convenience.